morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of God. You all are happy today? Do you have any guess what subject we are going to learn today? Okay, I'll show you what subject we are going to learn today. Today we are going to learn the subject Social Studies. What subject? Social Studies. What subject? Social Studies. In the subject Social Studies, today we are going to learn Lesson 1. Do you have any idea what lesson we learnt in the previous class? From the clue at the top, what are the items? Food, yes. You all remember the name of the lesson? Yes, the name of the lesson is Food We Eat. Food We Eat. I show you the picture now. This is our Social Studies book. This is our Social Studies book. Today we are going to do some book exercises. Last class we learnt the lesson. Today we are going to do some book exercises. Okay, children? In the 6th page of the book, you have the story. What's the story name? Thank you. We are going to recall something what you learnt in the previous class. Okay? Thank you. Minna and Manu are friends. Minna and Manu are friends. Minna is a girl, Manu is a boy. See, Minna, Manu. Minna, Manu. See, Minna is telling, I use my hands to draw and write. She used which organ to draw and write? She used her hands. She used her hands. And Manu, I use my hands to hold the mug tight. Manu is holding the mug, no? Yes, he is using his hand. Both are telling about the hands. Hand is a organ. Hand is an organ in our body, no? Yes. Next we are going to see. Look at here. Minna. Minna is telling, I use my legs to walk and run. Minna use her leg to walk and run. Manu is telling, I use my legs to jog and have fun. He uses leg to jog and have fun. Okay. Now look at here. Both are enjoying the day, no? They fly kites, no? Yes. See, Minna is telling, look a kite. Look a kite. Manu is telling, with my eyes, I see the sun so bright. Both are looking at the object with their eyes. In this, they tell about eyes. First picture, they tell about hands. Second picture, they tell about legs. This is the third picture, they tell about the eyes. Look at here. What Minna is doing? My ears help me to hear nice songs. She is hearing the song, no? Yes. She uses a headphone, no? Yes. She hears a song. Which one helps her to hear the song? Ears. Good. And Manu. Manu is telling, I can also hear the bell go ding dong. What's the sound of the bell? Ding dong. How you hear the sound? With your ears. Good. Both are using their ears to hear the sound. Look at here. My nose. Minna is telling, my nose helps me to smell the cake. See, Minna smells the cake, no? Yes. What Manu is doing? I can smell the flowers by the lake. Manu smells at the flower near the lake. Okay, both are smelling the objects. With which organ they smell the objects? Nose. Yes, you all are telling correct only. With the help of the nose, we can smell the object, no? You already learnt it in the science subject, no? Yes. First picture, what did we learn? First picture, I show you, no? First picture, they tell us about hand. Second picture, tell us about legs. Third picture, about eyes. Fourth picture, about ears. Fifth picture, about nose. Okay. Now you all understand the lesson, no? Shall we do some exercise? Do and learn. Do and learn. Look at here. Look at here, children. Do and learn. A. Color the clouds for things you do with your hands. What are the things we can do with our hands? We are going to color it. Brush. When we use brush, which brush? We can paint using the brush also, and we can brush our teeth also, no? With the help of hand we use it. So they color it with yellow. Run. Run, it's an action. What we use when we are running? We use our hands? No, we use our legs. So don't touch it. And the third one, C-L-A-P, clap. For clapping, what we use? We clap with our hands or legs? We clap with our hands. So we have to do coloring for this clap. Walk. How we walk? We walk with our legs or with hands? We walk with our legs. So we shouldn't touch this. And then comb. C-O-M-B, comb. We comb our hair, no? Yes, daily we comb our hair, no? With the help of hand or leg we comb our hair. With the help of the hand. So we have to color this. Now I show you the answer. Look at the answer below, children. Just like this, you have to do coloring in your book. Okay, next, shall we pass on to the next exercise? Here, look at here. Draw lines to match. Draw lines to match. First, what is there? E-Y-E, I is there. Boy standing here, no? Yes. Number 2, H-A-N-D, hand. Number 3, L-E-G, leg. Number 4, E-A-R, ear. Number 5, N-O-S-E, nose. Number 6, T-H-U-M-B, thumb. They already did it, no? Thumb, they already did it, no? Now we are going to match the other one. Okay? Shall we do the matching now? E-Y-E-I. We have to touch the dot near the I words, and we have to match it near to the boy I. Okay? And then number 2, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. We have to match the hand. And then leg. L-E-G, leg. And then ear. Where's the boy ear? E-A-R, ear. Where's the nose? N-O-S-E, nose. Nose is here. Okay, we did it, no? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at here, children. Here they ask the missing letters. See, write the missing letters. Number 1, I dash with my hands. I dash with my hands. What Mina is doing with her hands? What Mina is doing with her hands? She draw with her hands, no? Yes, draw. D-R-A-W, draw. She draw with her hand. And then I dash with my eyes. How can you, what can you do with your eyes? You see with your eyes, no? Yes, see. What's the spelling for see? S-E. Okay. And then number 3, I use my dash. L-G-S to jump. How you jump? With the help of your leg. So, L-E-G-S, legs. Number 4. I smell with my dash. How do you smell? Mina and Manu both are smell? No. Both of them smell? No. What did she smell? She smelled the cake? No. She smells the cake? No. Yes. Manu smells the flower. Good. Now, shall we write the answers now? Yes. Number 2. Yes. E. See. I see with my eyes. Number 3. I use my legs. L is there. Then you got to write E only. And then I smell with my nose. N is there. You got to write O only. Okay. We complete this now. Shall we pass on to the next one? Look at your children. Shall we read the question? D. Write how many you have. How many you have. Look at the question. I have. Number 1. I have dash nose. How many nose you have? How many nose you have? All of you touch your nose. How many nose you have? 1. Good. So they gave the spelling O-N-E 1. Now look at the second one. I have dash hands. How many hands you have? Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Clap your hands. Yes, I hear your clapping sound. Yes, I have 2 hands. Good. Number 3. I have dash eyes. How many eyes you have? Close your eyes and open it. Close it. Open. Close it. Open. Yes. How many eyes you have now? 2. Good. Number 4. I have dash ears. How many ears you have? Touch your ears. All of you touch your ears. Yes. How many ears you have? Tell me correctly. Yes. 2. Very good. Shall we write the answer now? Yes. Number 2. What's the answer? I have 2 hands. T. W. O. 2. I have how many eyes? 2. D. W. O. 2. Fourth one. I have dash ears. 2 ears. T. W. O. 2. 2 ears. Okay. Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Now we are going to do the exercise inside the lesson 1. In page number 9, you have one exercise. We already did it in the previous class also. Now also I am going to show you that. I am a red fruit. I am an apple. Good. I am a red fruit. I am an apple. Number 2. I am a brown vegetable. I am a potato. I am a potato. Look children, here I show you the answers in the green color. Those spellings you have to write it in your book inside the box. Okay. Number 3. I am a yellow fruit. I am a, can you guess? Yes, correct. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Here also I show you in different color the spellings. Those spellings you have to write it in the box. And number 4. I am a green fruit. I am a green fruit. I am a cabbage. Good. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Here also I show you the spellings, missing letter in the different color. Those spellings you have to write it in the book. Okay children. Shall we pass on to the next exercise? Yes. This is in your page number 12. This is in your page number 12. Circle the correct answers. Part A. Circle the correct answers. Number 1. We need dash. We need books or food when we are hungry. When you feel hungry, what do you ask your mummy? You ask your mummy food or book? You ask food, no? Yes. So they circle the correct answer, no? Food. F-O-O-D, food. Yes. Now shall we do the second one? Number 2. Babies drink milk or tea. Babies drink milk or tea. Small babies, what the small babies will drink? Milk or tea? Yes, you all are telling the correct answer only. Milk. Good. Number 3. Our body needs toys or water. What our body needs? Our body needs a toy. Our body needs water. What does it need? It needs water. And then number 4. We must never waste or eat food. Number 4. We must never waste or eat food. We must never waste food. So we have to circle waste. Shall we circle the answers now? Yes. Babies drink milk or tea. Milk. Milk is the correct answer. So we have to circle milk. And then number 3. Our body needs toys or water. Our body needs toys or water. Our body needs water. So we have to circle water. And then we must never waste or eat food. We must never waste food. Okay. So, shall we do the next exercise, children? Yes. Look at here. B. Fill in the blanks. Choose words from the mango. Here they have given the picture mango. We are going to choose the answer from the box. What's the first answer here? They gave food. F-O-O-D, food. Number 2, F-R-E-S-H, fresh. Number 3, W-A-T-E-R, water. Number 4, G-R-O-W, grow. Now, shall we read the question? Things we eat are called food. The answer is already here, so no need to touch it. Number 2, food helps us to. Food helps us to grow. Water or fresh? It helps us to grow. So the second one answer is grow. Now 3, we must drink plenty of dash. Fresh or water, what we need? We need water. Good. And then number 4, we must eat clean and dash food. We must eat clean and fresh fruit, fresh food. Good. Shall we write the answer now? Number 2, food helps us to grow. What's the spelling for grow? G-R-O-W. Grow. Good. We must drink plenty of water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Good. We must eat clean and fresh food. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. Good. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now you are going to think and answer. What you are going to do? You are going to think and answer. Read the sentence. Tick the correct picture. You cut this on your birthday. Which one you cut on your birthday? You cut your paper or you cut a cake? You all cut a cake. Yes, you all are telling correctly. Shall we do it now? Yes. You have to give tick and cake. Okay? Okay. Next one. Now we are going to do and learn. Do and learn. This is an activity. Part D, activity. Draw lines to put the fruits in the correct basket. Here they have given 2 baskets, no? Yes. First basket, we have to keep the fruits peel before eating. What are the fruits we have to peel before eating? And then in the next basket, we should not peel before eating. Now, all of you look at here. What fruit is that? It's a grapes. Oh, okay. Now, we have to peel it before eating? No. We can wash it and eat directly, no? Yes. So, we have to put this grapes inside the second basket. Okay? Okay. Now, Next one. Look at this. What's it? Papaya. Papaya. Shall we eat it after washing directly? No. We have to peel the skin now. Yes. So we have to put it inside the first one. Now, third one. Banana. What's it? Banana. Banana. Shall we eat with the skin? No. We have to peel it now. So we have to put it in the first basket. And then guava. What's it? Guava. Guava, what we have to do? We have to peel the skin. No, we should not peel the skin. We have to eat it along with the skin. So we have to put it inside the second one. And then what's that? Orange. Orange, how we have to eat? We have to peel the skin of the orange, no? Yes. So we have to put it in the first box. They already match it, no? Now we are going to do the remaining matching. Look at your grapes. We should not peel it. So we have to put it in the second basket. And then banana. We have to peel it. So we have to put it in the first one. Papaya. We have to peel the skin of papaya. And then guava. Guava, we should not peel the skin. So we have to put it in the second basket. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do part E. Circle these food items. Look at here, children. Here they have given some food items. What's the first food? Dosa. Second one, cheese. Third one, jam. Fourth one, rice. Fifth one, sugar. Sixth one, nuts. Look at here. Look at the spelling for dosa. D-O-S-A, dosa. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. J-A-M, jam. R-I-C-E, rice. S-U-G-A-R, sugar. N-U-T-S, nuts. Look at here. Look at the box. What are the words? They already did it. N-U-T-S, nuts. They already did it, no? Yes. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. They already did it. Now we are going to do the remaining one. Shall we do it now? Now, what's the first one? D-O-S-A, dosa. Where is it? It's here. D-O-S-A, dosa. Good. Next one, cheese. They already did it, no? Yes. Next, look at the third one. J-A-M, jam. Where is it? It's here. J-A-M, jam. Look at the fourth one. R-I-C-E, rice. Do you all find what's the answer? Yes, it's here. R-I-C-E, rice. Good. Then sugar. Where's the sugar spelling? It's here only. S-U-G-A-R, sugar. Good. The last one. They already did it, no? Nuts. It's here, no? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? You all enjoy this, no? You all like to join the dots, no? Yes. Look at here. This is part F. We are going to join the dots now. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like the numbers from 1 to 20. We are going to join. Shall we join it? We did it, no? Yes. After completing, what fruit you get? This is a fruit or vegetable? Can you guess what is it? It's a tomato. What's the color of the tomato? Red. Good. You all are telling correctly. Red. Shall we do it coloring? You all know to color it, no? Can you do this in the homework? Yes. Shall we pass on to the next one? This is the last one. Look at here. G, part G, value. Tick if you do this. Tick if you do this. If you do this, you have to give a tick. I wash my hands before eating. Washing the hands before and after eating. I told you to remember this, no? Yes? Things to remember. I teach you about 4 things you have to remember, no? Yes. Now, look at here. Look at your children. What's the first one? I wash my hands before eating. Are you doing this? Yes. Number 2. I finish everything on my plate. I finish everything on my plate means you didn't waste the food. What your mommy is giving, you don't waste the food. No. We learnt it. No. You shouldn't waste the food. So you eat fully. No. What your mommy is giving to you, you have to eat fully. So I finish everything on my plate. Both the things you are doing means you have to give a tick in both the boxes. See, I wash my hands before and eating. I am doing. Are you doing this? If you are doing it, you have to give a tick. And then I finish everything on my plate. I finish everything. Are you finished? If you finish everything on your plate means give a tick for that. If you get 2 tick means smiley you can get. If you get 2 tick means what you get? You get smiley. If 1 tick means sad. 0 tick, very sad. So you have to follow this, children. These are all the good habits. Okay? Before eating anything, you should wash your hands. Okay? If your mommy is giving you a biscuit, you should wash your hands. Afterwards, you have to get the biscuit from your mommy and eat. Okay? It's a good habit. I finish everything on my plate. You should finish off all the food items in your plate. Okay? Okay. Shall we pass on to the homework now? Homework. What homework you have today? Today you have to complete the book exercises from page number 8, 9, 12 and 13. From page number 8 to 13 you have to finish it. Okay, children? Now we complete the lesson 1. I hope you all enjoyed this session. You look at the video and do the book exercise correctly and send me the copy of it, photocopy of it. Okay, children? Now, children who didn't get the book, you can write the spellings and send me the photo of it. Okay, children? Thank you so much.